Model Test Paper 1. Based on chapters 1 to 7. A. Put a tick on the correct option. 1. As human beings do, trees can also A. See, B. Feel, C. Move, D. Sleep. 2. Trees replace the oxygen that gets used up when living things breathe or A. Dance, B. Breathe, C. Eat, D. Burn. 3. Why did Uncle Podger need a kitchen stool? A. To climb up, B. To sit down, C. To use it to keep things, D. To paint. 4. Who do you think was hurt more with hammer? A. Uncle Podger, B. The person on whose toes the hammer fell. Give a reason to support your answer. 5. Little Sunshine tied her apron about the bear's eyes too. A. Blind him, B. Tease him, C. Catch him, D. Move him. B. State the following sentences are true or false. 1. When we think of trees, we think of their cool shade. 2. The stranger pulled off his bandages and gave them to Mrs. Hall. 3. Gandhiji does not believe in non-violence. 4. Chinky dropped back and grabbed Minnie's arm. 5. Little Sunshine must learn to work alone, or she will grow up a lazy girl, said the man. C. Fill in the blanks. 1. The children play around the trees and tired travelers under them. 2. Uncle Podger undertook a job at home there was a lot of. 3. The nail was found at last, but by that time he had lost the. 4. The prince gave them 12 wagon loads of grain and 12. 5. It is the bell of justice, said the. D. Answer the following questions. 1. How does a great part of our forest resources get lost? 2. Why did Jaffers want to arrest the invisible man? 3. What did Bapu do when the policeman came to arrest him? 4. On which musical instrument did Uncle Podger fall upon? 5. What good did the bell do? Model Test Paper 2. Based on chapters 8 to 15. A. Put a tick on the correct option. 1. The young man told the king that he was simply admiring the flowers of the royal garden. A. Enchanting, B. Lovely, C. Fragrant, D. Beautiful. 2. All the brothers liked this idea and started discussing what kind of knowledge they should A. Seek, B. Master, C. Understand, D. Listen. 3. The meaning of Prometheus is A. Amazing, B. Believing, C. Very promising, D. Full of knowledge. 4. When humans mastered the use of fire and other ways of improving their life, Prometheus called it A. The age of water, B. The age of fire, C. The age of man, D. The new golden age. 5. Who hit the ball on John's head? A. John himself, B. Brad, C. John's friend. B. State if the following sentences are true or false. 1. The minister's son was very fond of flowers. 2. Betal could not go back to his tree because Vikramaditya gave the incorrect answer. 3. Reading was a kind of magic. 4. Jupiter went to the glowing sun, took sparks of fire and brought them hidden in the hollow of a reed to the earth. 5. John refused to play with Brad because he held a grudge. C. Fill in the blanks. 1. When the guards could not find any flour in the young man's pockets, they became. 2. One of the best things about the sport of running is that you don't need. 3. The fourth brother was skilled in. 4. The storm winds always blew around. 5. The village of Dragonwell was located in. D. Answer the following questions. 1. What flowers were there in the garden of the king of Iran? 2. Write 4 benefits of running for a healthy mind and body. 3. How did all the brothers die? 4. Was Clyde happy with the prize? 5. How did Jupiter punish Prometheus?